Hey Mia. I need to tell you something.
What is it? You look serious.
I've decided to move to another city for work. I'm leaving next week.
What? Are you serious? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I didn't want to say anything until everything was confirmed. It's a big step for me.
I get that, but I'm going to miss you so much. Who's going to listen to all my rants now?
I'll still be just a phone call away, you know. It's not like we'll lose touch.
It won't be the same, Andy, but I'm happy for you. You deserve this opportunity.
Thanks, Mia. I promise I'll visit whenever I can.
You better, and don't forget to keep me updated on everything.
I never thought I'd run into you here. It's been what, 2 years?
Yeah, almost 2 years. I wasn't expecting to see you either. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. And you? You look happy.
I'm doing well, thanks. Life's been kind to me lately. It's strange seeing you after all this time.
It is. Feels like a lifetime ago, doesn't it? But you haven't changed much.
Neither have you. Still the same smile. So, are you here alone?
Yeah, just grabbing coffee. How about you?
With some friends. They're waiting for me, actually, but it's nice catching up.
It is. Maybe we could grab a coffee sometime, properly catch up.
I'd like that. Take care, Liam.
I don't know, sometimes I just feel so useless, like I can't do anything right.
Don't say that. Everyone has moments of doubt, but it doesn't mean you're worthless.
But I always mess things up. It feels like no matter how hard I try, I just keep failing.
Failure doesn't define you. It's just part of learning. Even the most successful people fail.
Maybe, but I feel like I'm a burden to everyone around me.
You're not a burden. You're a good friend, and you mean a lot to the people who care about you.
It's hard to believe that when I can't even see my own worth.
Sometimes it takes time, but try to focus on the things you're good at, even the small ones.
I guess I just need to figure out what those are.
And I'll be here to remind you every step of the way. You're not alone in this.
You know, I've been feeling like I've been lied to this whole time.
Wait, what do you mean? Who do you think lied to you?
It's Sam. He said he was working late every night, but I found out he's been going out with his friends instead.
That's rough. Did you confront him about it?
Not yet. I'm still trying to process everything. It feels like he broke my trust.
I get it. It's hard when someone you trust isn't honest with you.
Exactly. I wouldn't have minded if he just told me the truth. It's the lying that hurts.
You deserve honesty, Maya. Have you thought about how you want to handle this?
I think I need to talk to him, but I'm worried he'll just deny it or make excuses.
If he truly values your relationship, he'll own up to it. But you have every right to demand the truth.
So, when are you getting married? Everyone's curious.
Honestly, Emma, that's a pretty personal question. I don't think it's something you should ask.
Oh, I didn't mean to offend you. I was just trying to make conversation.
I get that, but it's a sensitive topic for a lot of people. You never know what someone's going through.
I didn't think about it that way. I just assumed it's something people would be happy to talk about.
Not always. Some people might feel pressured or judged by questions like that.
You're right. I should be more careful with my words. I'm sorry if I made you uncomfortable.
It's okay. Just keep in mind that some topics, like marriage, are very personal for some people.
Thanks for pointing it out. I'll be more mindful next time.
No problem. I appreciate you understanding where I'm coming from.
Hey, Sarah, can I borrow some money? I'm a bit short on cash right now.
How much do you need, Jack?
Just $50. I promise I'll pay you back next week.
All right, I can lend it to you, but are you sure you'll have it by then?
Yes, I'm expecting my paycheck on Friday, so I'll return it immediately.
Okay, I trust you. Just don't forget this time like you did before.
I know, and I'm really sorry about that. It won't happen again.
All right, I'll transfer it to you now. Let me know when you receive it.
Got it. Thanks so much, Sarah. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Just make sure to manage your money better next time.
You're right. I really need to get better at budgeting. This is the last time, I promise.
Good to hear that. It's important to plan ahead, especially with unexpected expenses.
Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.